What we're going to do now is we are going to create a sentence. Doesn't have to be a long sentence, doesn't have to be a complicated sentence, but we are going to choose. You are going to create your very own sentence that makes your heart beat comfortably when you say it to yourself. It's called an affirmation. I like to call it a healing sentence. It's a sentence that means something to you, that you believe it. You believe that you are. So you can say, I am brave. I am funny. I am confident. I am special. Whatever it is, you are going to come up with a sentence of who you are, which is a healing sentence that whenever you start to panic a bit or whenever you feel as if you're getting monkeys on your back, you can say the sentence to yourself, I am brave. I am more than enough. I am special. I am loved. Whatever you feel that your heart is pounding towards, when you say it, you'll know it's right because it's a sentence that holds you safe. And a sentence, they say you resonate with it. When your heart is pumping for it, you resonate with it. Take a moment now, see if you need to ask an adult for assistance, but find yourself a sentence, short, easy sentence that gets your heart pounding, that you can remember on a daily basis. Whenever you need it, you can call on this sentence, which can push you forward. Me, I'm currently have my affirmation on my hand to centralize me. It is a beautiful way to keep yourself focused and straight.